Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Poor guy! He's fine.
Who knew that working at a brewery could be so dangerous?
Oh my god! He's fine. That's good. Oh my god! Oh no! We saw this. No, it's so neat. No, why? Why?
She managed to find the off button on this cat.
So cute.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Wait. Bruh. No. State prisoners.
Everything's okay.
It's
So
fine.
are trucks made of
It's
paper,
fine.
or is this sign really strong?
Baby, back up.
What?
You about to oh.
Oh my
Babe,
god.
do not get out this car. He is finna leave.
Oof. Oh, kiss. It's a dentist cat. Bruh.
This has to be the bravest dog I've ever seen.
What's that? Bruh. He's so shaky. It's just plastic. Are you serious? Oh. No. Your day's over. If you're getting out of the house and this is the first thing that happens, forget about it. You shouldn't be doing anything.
The good news is that he wasn't hurt.
That's good. That's good. Ha! Sir. Your helmet. Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh! Oh, well. Less worse, I guess.
doing.
Doing, yoing, yoing, yoing.
For some
Boing, yoing,
reason,
yoing.
this dog started glitching.
Ah. Eh. Oh no. What was that? What the hell?
She decided to run away because her mom made her clean her room.
Because I told you to clean your room. Okay, I'll see you later.
You know, understandable.
Bye. Let me turn the light on for you.
So
Okay, see you.
dramatic. Bye bye. Eh?
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed
tacos!
it. And I'll see you guys
What
again
have you
very
done?
soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This guy had an allergic reaction and they had to use an EpiPen.
Uh-oh.
Oh. He went.
Good night.
Good night.
Don't worry, he was fine, and he was taken to a hospital just to be safe. This company wanted to prove how effective and safe their bulletproof windows are.
About to get shot at with a 50 cal.
Oh, hell no.
Shooter ready.
Let's do it.
3.
Nah. Oh, God. Nah. Hell no. Oh, so cute. Tacos. No! Bruh, he ruined that. Oh, that's scary. Oh my god.
This person accidentally dropped their phone into alligator-infested waters.
Nom. Oh well. Oh, that's crunchy. Oof. Oh well, he did eat the whole thing. Oh, duckies, so cute. Army of duckies.
I know about the blue screen of death, but I've never heard of the black screen of death.
Oh my god, wait. Oh, it's slowly. Oh my god. Hey, was that needed? Huh.
I guess this is what the last day of school looks like in some places.
Oh Bro, who's gonna clean that up? That's my question. Who's gonna clean this? He doesn't like it.
I think this thing just dropped the hardest beat of 2024.
Nice. Oh my god, that's terrifying! What the
About a
hell
week
is that?
ago, these orcas were trapped and surrounded by ice off the coast of Japan. They had to keep moving to prevent the ice from freezing. The good news is that they were only trapped for a few hours as the ice eventually shifted, allowing them to swim to open waters.
Okay, the poor orcas.
Give me it back. Give me it back.
It's mine.
Give me it back.
Boing, boing. Oh!
That is the end of
Yo,
this video.
that was
I really hope you
sick.
enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again
Damn,
very
that
soon.
do be me scrolling
Later.
on Twitter.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This guy got a tattoo and immediately passed out.
Eh?
You have an iPhone?
Oh! Damn!
Luckily,
Giga
the artist
Chad!
was able to catch him before he got
Holy,
hurt.
that was a good save. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute.
Midas. Blizzard. Okay.
With the technology behind the Apple Vision Pro, people are learning that they can now poop anywhere in the universe.
Oh, okay, now that's the true good use for those. That's the future, boys.
This guy wanted to destroy this giant snowman.
Go tackle that Sam.
Oh my god, that hurt on me. Huh? Is this a crew? What? What
Here's a
the
cool device
hell?
that allows you to properly transport your sauces. You can easily pick up your spilled honey or ketchup and move it somewhere else.
Oh my god, I need this. I give all my money for this. That's so good! What the hell? Oh! Oh, he's such a good boy! No! No, he's still taking it!
She wanted to get this airport worker's phone number before taking off.
Huh?
Here's some of the traps American soldiers had to deal with when walking through the jungle during the Vietnam War.
The next one is what we call roller.
Ooh!
You notice more clearly, you will see there's gonna be a hook.
Oh my
on the
god.
spike.
Scary. Huh? Oh my god, oh that's so scary, that's so scary, I don't like that, oh my god, oh
This
my
cat
god,
discovered a
someone
new
lost
way
their
to run
fucking
faster.
phone there. He goes, no, no.
These people were wearing t-shirts of their favorite band without realizing that they were right behind them.
Wait, oh, that's cool, damn. Huh?
I'm her mom. It's fine.
One of our subscribers
I'm her mom, it's fine, I can bully her.
made a Super Mario obstacle course for the
that's
cat.
so
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Wait, just that? No, not the Hello Kitty, stop. What has Hello Kitty done to you?
So this made me
Hello
uncomfortable.
Kitty. I feel like we watch all of these on unusual memes. Oh my my god, that poor dog.
She
He's
wanted
good.
to buy something, but this bird had other ideas.
Huh? Excuse. Oh no, it's gonna steal the money, right? And then the lady's face. Where's the water? So cute. Huh?
This guy in New York City was seen controlling pigeons.
Oh my god, it's the pigeon master. Oh my god. Ayo?
This dog knows how to strategically eat this without eating the medicine.
No. He's a Nomi. No way! It's a hole!
So what would you do in this situation?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's going on?
Oh my god.
Huh? What? That's scary.
I just found out that there are iridescent plants that change colors depending on the angle of the light.
Ooh, ooh, so pretty. That's cool.
This guy managed to perfectly hit a police car.
No.
Pass. Oh, hit the
Oh
cop car.
my
First responder.
god. Yo, Violet, thanks so much for a follow. Thank you. Yo, nice.
She wanted to see if she could get her cat to turn off the light.
That's a bit high up though. He jumped that much. Oh, nice. Ooh, I want those. No, wait. Why is it slow?
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very
Seagulls
soon.
are little
Later.
shits. They're the worst.